Becky, madam, and I'm actually coming online after a lot of requests by many people here, right? And today we're going to do a quick video, not more than 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not doing any time count here, on my experience on using the iPad Pro 11-inch 128 GB space, and this is the M2 iPad Pro, right? So let's just quickly crack onto it. So let's see what is special on this iPad Pro, right? It comes with a beautiful box as usual, designed in Apple. This is the iPad 11-inch box, and I have actually unboxed it. This is not an unboxing video. I'll tell you in terms of what is included in the box, right? Comes with a 20-watt charger. Comes with a braided cable, which is pretty nice, and a matte enabled finish with a USB Type-C connector, and much more durable is what I will tell you. Again, it came with some Apple packaging inside. I'm not going to open that. You guys can see other videos on that, typically Apple logo and boxes. Let's jump onto the iPad in terms of the look and the fit and the finish. So I'm going to quickly show you the iPad in terms of from a far distance. Here is the iPad. It's beautiful, sleek, right? And beautiful casing, and you can see in terms of how this entire layout looks like. It's pretty neat. The cameras, again, 12 megapixel in the front, 12 in the front and the back both. Beautiful color shades, and then we'll jump into the different other aspects on this beautiful 11-inch MacBook enabled type, whatever you can say, M2 iPad Pro. Now let's look at the iPad Pro 11-inch MacBook, the M2 iPad Pro, my bad. So how is the look and feel, right? So if you go on the slide, the bezels are so beautifully done. It's all silver finish. And if I go back, as I said, right, beautiful Apple logo. And again, this is a space gray model, as you see, right? And in this iPad Pro, a couple of things which is very, very important is the scrolling is beautiful, as you can see. Beautiful scrolling here. And so if you look at it closely, right, you'll get to see there is just the USB port, which is the USB 4. It has got one speaker here. It has got another speaker here. And then if I want to turn the iPad, right, you'll again see primarily 2 speakers on the front, right, and 2 mics. One is here, multiple dots you can see in the middle. Hold it properly, and then you can see primarily to gauge the audio. And then if I go on the sideways, right, you will see the volume buttons, both up and down, and then further this one is primarily to hold the Apple Pencil. Pretty sleek frame, I would say, in terms of the fit and thinness. Pretty sleek, and here's the Apple Pencil, as I said. And then on the top, if you hold it, all right, on the sideways over here, right, you get the power button. Let's just also look at the featured view of how does it look along with the Magic Keyboard. So I'm going to go to Safari, and I'm just going to, for the purpose of typing, right, I'm going to show you in terms of the keyboard layout. Backlit keyboard with the Magic Keyboard. Again, if you do this, you can see pretty aesthetic, very fast to charge. In terms of the connector, even the Magic Keyboard, which is an accessory, right, has this USB charger here, right? You can connect it and charge the iPad. Looks good, floating view of how the iPad looks like. And don't want to tell you much about, in terms of the overall experience, but it's pretty neat. And you can play games. It can give a run for its money for any of the other, moderate or mid-range or high-end laptops. Is it a replacement for a MacBook Pro? No. Is it somewhere near MacBook Pro? Yes. It comes with great editing software like DaVinci, as well as the Final Cut Pro, which is a 1-month-old feature. I think it's 1 month free feature for people who want to subscribe to Final Cut Pro on the iPad M2 11-inch iPad Pro. Thanks for watching this video, and give us a thumbs and like, and please share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.